There's a perfectly good reason why I'm sporting these braids today. It's because today is Halloween and I'm just so excited. Let me put you down. Oh my gosh. Wait a minute. Today I am just so excited because it arrived today. Oh my gosh. I think you already have an idea what this could be, but I first shout out to Raz for making this happen to me. Oh my gosh, you are so selfless. Thank you so much. Thank you. This is the Skullpanda X Wednesday Plush, the classic version, which is currently only available in NYC pop-up store, which is in the East Coast, very far. I'm in the West Coast, so I didn't even think that it's gonna happen for me until they hopefully launch it online. But Raz selflessly got this for me. He didn't even ask for anything, I kid you not. Just when other people are selling this for like $400, $500, I got my hands on these for retail price. Just because Ross made it happen for me. Thank you so much. So let's unbox this together. I'm so excited. I'm a big fan of Wednesday Addams and Skullpanda, so this thing is just it for me. I'm not kidding. Okay, enough yapping. I'm gonna now unbox this. Okay, let's do this. Raz actually went directly to FedEx as soon as he got his hands on the doll and shipped it to me right away so that I can get it today. Oh my gosh. Oh my god! Oh my god! Look at this! I can't believe I have it already. Oh my gosh! I know that there are rumors that it's gonna come out online on November 1st, but the fact that I already have secured one is, oh my gosh, I can rest now. But I probably would get another one if I can, just so I can fully unbox it with you guys, because this one, I think, unfortunately, I'm gonna keep it in the box because the box itself is so good, and I really want to preserve it. Look at this detail. It says my poisonous personality. Oh my gosh, so Wednesday Addams. Oh, my roommate cannot handle my poisonous personality. So there's a lot of characters, even Joss in the box itself. Look at that makeup. Let me actually peel this off. Okay, let's do that satisfying. Oh, and look at that! Look at that necklace that it has. I'm wearing the same thing. This is from the scene with Morticia Adams. With Wednesday's mom. Morticia gave it to Wednesday. Oh my gosh, we're twinning! That's the reason why I also put this color. And look at that. The very iconic Wednesday Adams white collar. I'm so happy, Raz! Thank you! Thank you so much! This is definitely my favorite Skull Panda plush. I don't care what anyone says. This is it for me. Another thing, get it. Another thing that I am most excited about this is because of thing itself. I unfortunately you cannot see it in the camera. I wish I can grab another one so I can unbox it with you guys, like the real full-blown unboxing. Absolutely love the packaging as well. The color combination, the stripes, details. It's very Wednesday Addams, and obviously here on top we can see the logo of Skull Panda. Those ornate details around it. It's so goth. I love it. I also got the other Wednesday Nevermore version, and obviously I really like that too. But this is it. Oh my gosh, thank you. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you are still watching up until this point, just to see me like be excited and be happy, and oh my gosh, thank you so much. And again, thank you so much, Raz. I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Happy Halloween. Enjoy my poisonous personality.